the 86 men who've been cleared for release. We want 86 people wearing their names to get arrested in front of the White House in the names of these people. If any of you can come down June 26th and work with us, that would be terrific. So I would just end saying that in the age of Obama, it has been very difficult to organize the kind of anti-war movement we had in the age of Bush, when we were able to get out hundreds of thousands of people, when all of you, I'm sure, would raise your hand and say, I was out there protesting the invasion of Iraq. We don't get those numbers anymore. We have to rebuild this movement. We have to find ways to make people understand that the wars are not over, that the military is still taking an inordinate amount of our money that we need for all kinds of other things here in the United States. And so I urge you, if you haven't been as active as you were under the Bush years, to re-engage and help us rebuild this movement. Thank you.